Hello friends, welcome back to my terrace garden. In my previous video, I have shown you all varieties of fresh fruits and veggies grown at my terrace garden. This is a simple process which anybody can afford and start growing plants even in a small space. However, it needs a lot of hard work to set up a complete terrace garden. In this video, I will explain you the process which we followed to grow the plants in a simple and organic way. So, let's get started. Here you can see all the basic materials which are required. I will explain one by one in detail. Dry cow dung used as an organic fertilizer. Vermicompost. It is also an organic fertilizer rich in nutrients and helps in fast growth of plants. Neem cake. It provides nutrients and also improves the water holding capacity and aeration of the soil for better root development. This is dry goat manure. You can either use this or cow dung manure. This is red soil. Coco peat. It is used to loosen the soil for better aeration. Now, let's mix all of them in an appropriate proportion. For the preparation of potting soil, I am taking 50% of the soil, to which I am going to add 25% of cow dung and vermicompost, 5% of neem cake and 20% of coco peat. All these are available in any nursery. Apart from these components, I also use a homemade compost prepared from vegetable and fruit waste. Also, I prepared some natural fertilizers for healthy growth of plants. I will explain this preparation in another video. Coco peat is mainly used for potted plants as it maintains the moisture due to its water holding capacity and also provides sufficient nutrients for healthy growth of roots. Now I am going to mix these components thoroughly. Now let us transfer this to a pot. You can choose any kind of pot based on the requirement. Here I am taking a biodegradable bag. You can purchase these bags from any nursery or you can also order it from online. These are the ladyfinger seeds. I obtained these seeds from our previous crop. You can get any kind of seeds from any nursery. I am going to sow these seeds now. After sowing, cover the seeds with little bit of soil. Pour some water gently now. It takes few weeks to see a young sapling and few more weeks to see a complete plant along with crops. If you like this video, Please write down your valuable comments, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.